Good morning, all my beautiful friends. It's a lovely morning. Really, new day, new hope, sunshine, birds, butterflies, flowers, and mostly atmosphere so pleasant now. Winter is entering within our mind, body, soul. So here some collected words, lines I am going to share with you, poetry and all collected. So sorry. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Nature is not a place to visit, it is home. In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. What is the good of your stars and trees, your sunrise and the wind, if they do not enter into our daily lives? What a beautiful nature expresses a deep appreciation for the natural world, which includes everything from mountains and oceans to forests and skies. The soil full of microbes and organisms that grow our food, the ecosystems that provide us with natural resources, very beautiful landscapes and opportunities for a adventure. The proven fact that simply spending time with nature benefits our well being. All way that nature shows us love and care. Each moment you spend in nature, appreciating all that it does for us, returns that message all nature sacred. We are all about spreading love and much, much more, all poetry, language, literature, and songs uh, from their beautiful mind, just because of our nature, God gifted nature, Mother Earth, and I am sending respect, going down to Mother Earth, nature, Mother Nature, and every area aspects from my heart. We love nature, we are human being. Nature is so caring, just collected sentences and words can't define truly who she is. Nature, hidden mysticism from Lord God Almighty from the very beginning for us, only for human beings. So it's just starting, and just I'm thinking, starting to think about Mother Nature. You can meditate, you can write down your own thoughts, you can try any song, and all writings, your heart will go with us around the world. And wholeness, thank you Mother Nature, thanks to Lord God Almighty Khuda that he provides us for in such a way beautiful nature, atmosphere, and well protected we are just because of nature, atmosphere. Mm. So when we go to think that who is he, the hidden, rare, valuable, loving, caring God, providing us in such a way, caring us, protecting us. we, it's heaven, heaven, dreamland, rare, valuable. I just can't compare anything else with this system. Thanks, bunch of thanks, lots of love. Nature is your mother. If you are within nature, then I think you don't need anyone. You don't need me to. Happy day. Enjoy your time. Best wishes. Best of luck. All blessings I am trying to collect from Mother Nature and sending towards your mind, body, soul, uh, to your mind, body, soul, definitely. So effective and magical, enchanting, marvelous.